Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. Guys, I am so super excited because when I came back home today from vacation, this was waiting for me, and this is my items from Beebeecraft. As you all know, I told you that I am part of Beebeecraft's YouTube program, and it is an absolutely amazing program. So what we're going to do right now is just have the unboxing, and I will show you guys what all I received, and I am super excited. Okay guys, so the first thing we have, this is the Panda Elite wax seal stamp. It is vintage retro brass head with a wooden handle, and the one that I got was the letter E, which is absolutely amazing. Can you all see that? Look at how pretty that is. And as you know, I got the E for, drumroll, yes, Enchanted Dream 71. But not only that, those of you who follow me on my other social medias know that my last name also starts with an E. So I have personally never did wax seals before, so I am super excited to use this. It's got a really nice handle on it, and it does come undone, so you can go to Beebeecraft and order multiple stamp heads. Just get the stamp heads excuse me, and you can put them on the handle. So that is super cute. Really love that. Cannot wait to use that. So there's that. And the next thing that I got was, this is Panda Elite. It is a 60-piece blank wooden pendants, and they are undyed. So you can see there's a little variation in the colors of these, but I think they are absolutely awesome. See that, guys? So many different things you can do with this. I believe what I am probably planning on doing, well, I'm not going to give it away, so I'm not going to tell you. It's going to be a surprise. But yeah, it is going to be super cool. So we have these. So very excited about those. And then the next thing that we have, guys, is, let's see if we can get into this thing. Oh, maybe scissors will help. Let's try that. I guess you can all imagine my surprise when I got home from vacation today and these goodies were waiting. I tell you, I could not wait to get into it. Alright, so this right here is the Panda Elite 150-piece iron corner protectors, and I got them in the antique bronze. And as you can see, they come with this really nice, this is actually really thick plastic container that we will just go ahead and put these in. I love these containers. There we go, guys. So we have those, and they do have little designs on them. Super cute. And I will leave a link in my description box to all 4 of these products. Look at how pretty those are. And I love bronze. I really love those colors. So we got that. Yep, nice container. Really like that. Stacks up well. Yep, like that. And the last thing I got, guys, is these holiday wooden buttons, and these guys are the cutest things ever. Let me tell you, I saw these and just knew that I had to have them. Okay, so we have the Merry Christmas and the Christmas tree and snowflakes. Look at these, guys. These are Aircraft holiday buttons, wooden sewing buttons, and it is 50 pieces. Look at how cute that is. Can you guys see that okay? Super cute. This one has snowflakes, and then we have a Christmas tree. That is so cute. You see the holes in the middle? I know exactly what I want to use these for. And then one that says Merry Christmas. Look at how cute those are. And some presents. And I love this color of green too. It is so pretty. And then we have Santa Claus, and it says Season's Greetings. That is so, so cute. And then we have the holly, if I can get it up, guys. Look at that with the bow. How cute is that, guys? So yeah, these are the holiday wooden sewing buttons. I am super, super excited to use these. So, oh look, here's another one. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, it says Season's Greetings, and it has a book and a candle. Look at how cute that is. Can you guys see it? I don't think it's going to focus very good. Super, super cute. Yep, so I'm going to leave these down here for you guys to admire, because they are just too stinking cute. Can y'all see that little rocking horse under the tree? So, so sweet. Yep, so we got that. So now I want to tell you guys a little bit about the Beebeecraft YouTube program. Very simple. I went over there. It was the easiest thing. And I'm not good with technology and all of those things. And it was really, really easy. So there are a few things that you have to do or have in order to be involved in the Beebeecraft YouTube program. One is you have to have a YouTube channel. Number 2 is you need to have at least 100 subscribers or more. And the last thing is you will have to do at least 3 videos. So the first video will be the unboxing. Then the next 2 videos will actually be you using the products that you had received from Beebeecraft. And the most amazing, look guys, here's a puzzle. Sorry, the most amazing part of this is you get free products. That's right, guys. You go on Beebeecraft and you actually pick out the products that you want. They're not sending you what they want you to have. You actually get to go over and pick out anywhere from 3 to 5 items, and they will actually, you will put it in your cart and they will ship it to you. So this is an absolutely amazing program and a great, great way to get free products. So I will make sure in the description box below to leave a link to the Beebeecraft YouTube program in the description box below. I will also leave a link to all of these wonderful and amazing products that I received from Beebeecraft. And guys, I just cannot tell you enough how excited I am to use these products. So there will be more videos to come. Click on the description box. I did want to let you guys know one other thing really quick. The wax seal, I just looked on their website. Today is Saturday, Friday, November 6th. This will post on Saturday. And this wax seal is 10% off at the moment. And the wooden holiday buttons are 5% off at the moment. So yeah, you guys go on over there and check out Beebeecraft's website. They just have tons and tons of amazing products over there. And again, I am super, super excited. All the links will be in the description box below. Thank you guys. Hugs and kisses, and we will see you all next time. Bye-bye.